We all know that when it comes to YouTube thumbnails, a picture paints 1,000 words. So I'll show you how to customize a YouTube Shorts thumbnail in 5 easy steps using InVideo so you can enjoy your channel growth. A custom YouTube short thumbnail will provide you a strategic advantage to help you stand out from the YouTube Shorts crowd. I think it's a powerful equalizer for small channels. I'm Sandra Brazelton, a 30-year CEO real estate broker, instructor, investor, and business consultant. I'm also a retired engineer, so I'm always solution-oriented. So let's dig in. You can't pick a custom thumbnail on a YouTube short. So this is a before and after YouTube short thumbnail for the video on my channel entitled Auction.com 5 Inside Secrets to Register and Cash In. As you can see, the thumbnail on the left that YouTube chose only showed 2 of the 5 fingers that I used to describe the process. This was very frustrating and professionally embarrassing. You can imagine how this can confuse the viewer. It could also hurt your channel and cost you time and money because it reduces consumer trust, and lack of trust hurts your brand, your integrity, and your channel growth. Plus, confused consumers, they don't take action. So this is how you create your custom YouTube short quickly and professionally with InVideo and grow your channel and profits. InVideo saves me a lot of time, stress, and money because all of the features are in one place. So I don't have to pay for separate expensive subscriptions and waste time finding high quality content. So make sure you check the bonus at the end of the video because it can make or break your channel. My subscription includes hundreds of choices of royalty-free videos, images, music, sounds, and I have unlimited exports. The text layering options are very powerful, and you can use AI to build your channel and put your content on autopilot. Plus, InVideo comes with 24/7 support, and that provides peace of mind. So please click on my affiliate link in the description to check out the power of InVideo. So follow these steps to create your custom thumbnail. Number 1, create your custom thumbnail, upload it to InVideo, and include it in the template that you build with InVideo. After you finish your video, export it, download it, and save the video to your email or Google Drive. Now use your smartphone to access the video and save it to your phone camera. The next step is to download and open the YouTube app on your phone. If you saved it to your Google Drive, you will need to download that app as well. The next step is to follow the Create YouTube Shorts instructions. Hit the plus button to create a short. Then choose Upload Video. Then choose Select More so that you can open the video on your camera. Select the video you just saved from your camera roll and click on the video. Now just follow the prompts and click Next until you get to this screen with the Edit button. You can add music, sound, and text from InVideo, and that will save you a lot of time and rework. So please slow down and do these next steps specifically in this order. You must click the Edit button, then choose the thumbnail from the video, then click Done. You must perform these steps in this order, otherwise this will not work and YouTube does not allow you to edit shorts. That means you'll have to live with the thumbnail that they choose or start all over. Congratulations, you've chosen your custom thumbnail. The next step is to upload your video and complete the process. I upload my videos as private and complete the process on a laptop. YouTube Shorts are in high demand, and a customized YouTube Shorts thumbnail can explode your channel growth and your profitability. So here's my bonus. It doesn't matter if YouTube is a hobby or if your goal is to build passive income wealth. You are a YouTube creator and you are the CEO, CFO, and COO of You Incorporated by divine right. As a creator, you don't want to risk being shut down by a copyright violation, and sometimes you don't know when you cross that line. InVideo provides hundreds of images, videos, music, and graphic choices in one place. This allows you to create quickly, freely, inexpensively, and legally. So please do me a favor and check out InVideo using my affiliate marketing link that I have included in the description. This revenue allows me to continue to provide current and relevant content. I'm very thankful for our community of creators. And if this has been helpful, please subscribe to this channel and like and share this video so we can support each other and learn together.